XB Marketing here with another video. So in this video, I am going to be showing you how to create an account with Adworkmedia and Ogads. I know basically a lot of people are looking for other network that they can promote offers from. A lot of people want alternative to CPA Grip because literally CPA Grip accepts everybody. It doesn't matter if you are a newbie or a pro, CPA Grip accepts everyone, all right? But network like Adworkmedia, Ogads, Max Bounty, CPA Build, and other affiliate network would want to accept only people that have experience with CPA marketing already. So literally not all CPA network accept beginners. So the only CPA network that accept beginners, as far as I'm concerned, is only CPA Grip. The other networks would want you to have some experience before they can accept you into their network. All right, so which is why I am making this video, so that you can know what it takes to create accounts with these CPA networks. All right, I have an account with Adworkmedia already. As you can see here, you can see my email, although I've blurred it out. Okay, so but I am just basically going to show you how to create an account with them. Also, if you can see on Ogads as well, I have my account already. Now what you want to do for Adworkmedia, you want to go to adworkmedia.com. So once you come to adworkmedia.com, you are basically going to see a page like this. All right, so you want to scroll down and click on quick sign up. All right, you can either click on quick sign up or you can click on get started now. So whichever one you click is going to work. Okay, and now it brought me to this page. So as you can see right here, you want to click on create your free publisher account. So now let's get into it. So you want to have your name right here, your last name right here. You can just type in your name. All right, and then here you want to add your address. You want to add in your real address here. It's very important. A lot of people try to use fake addresses. That's why they don't get accepted. So you want to make sure you use your real address right here. Okay, so whatever city you are, you want to type it in there. And zip code also, if you don't know the zip code of your city, you can just basically come to Google and type in zip code, the name of your city right here. Okay, so it's that simple. So once you've done that, you want to type in your country. Of course, choose whatever country you're from. You want to type that in there. So here you want to put in your Skype name. Okay, if you don't have a Skype account, you can create Skype account. You want to type in your Skype username. Also, it says it's optional, but I recommend that you type it in there. Okay, so here you are going to choose the Skype and then you want to type it in here. Here, as you can see, it says promotion style. How do you intend to promote their offers? You can see there are a lot of options right here. And now they are going to ask you what type of traffic. Click on no for incentive traffic. Your website address right here if you have one. As you can see, it also says you should put no if you don't have one, but I recommend that you put in your website in here. If you have a big Instagram account, if you have a large following on any of these social platform, you want to put it in here. I don't recommend you leave it blank. Okay, you don't need to type in anything here. All right, as you can see, there's no asterisk on this website too. So the next thing you want to do, how did you find us? All right, you can type in YouTube or or Google. You can just type in there basically. All right, if they ask you the current network you work with, you can type in Max Bounty and CPA Grip. Okay, so here promotional method, how do you intend to promote the offer? So here are some options that you can use. Here you can see method of promotion. All right, so I am going to share this document with you. So literally you can just copy and paste this method, this promotional method right here, and then you want to paste it in this box. All right, so literally that is what you need to do, but you can rewrite it, all right, so that it looks unique. And then you click on I am not a robot and check on this mark. You submit your application within 24 to 48 hours. You will hear back from them and they would approve you. Okay, you want to read their terms and conditions, compliance policy, privacy policy right here if you want to. Okay, so basically it's the same process for Ogads as well. All right. So as you can see here, my email pops up once again. So I'm going to remove that. So you want to fill in all the required details right here. And then you want to choose your address. Like I showed you on Adworkmedia, you want to use a real address. Okay. So basically, they are also going to ask you the same question as well. How do you intend to promote the method? How do you intend to promote their offers? So you can just come to this. You can see right here, there's about 13 to 14 methods that you can choose from. So basically, you want to put that in there as well. All right. So basically, you can just repeat the same process on Adworkmedia on Ogads as well. All right. So once you're done, you submit your application as well. And that is how to create an account on both platforms and get accepted.